Hi, welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's beer damper cooked in the Sunbeam family pie maker. Using only 3 ingredients, we've got some self-raising flour here, just a cup and a half, good pinch of salt. Mix it up with some beer. Turn your pie maker on. We're going to brush it with butter, scoop our damper into the pie maker holes and serve it with Kiwi Fruit Preserve that I've made. Okay, and that is all you have to do. You want really quite a sloppy mix, so you've got a cup of beer and a cup and a half of flour. Pie maker's on. We're going to brush the inside of the pie holes with our melted butter so that it releases easily, even though it isn't a non-stick surface. Brush the top of the pie maker as well so it doesn't stick, and then just scoop with a cookie scoop or ice cream scoop a portion of our mix into the holes. Okay, now close the lid and cook it for about 8 minutes. Okay, only after about 7 minutes, we're just going to pick these up and tip them over and brown them evenly on the other side. They're lovely and light and spongy. You can really smell the beer. It must be the hops or the yeast in the beer that's giving them a gorgeous lift and flavour. Okay, once the 8 minutes is up, we've just tested them and they needed another 2 minutes. So it's 10 minutes cooking all up, but they are cooked right through. Lovely and golden, well risen, light as anything. Just going to pop those out, let them sit for a few minutes and reload the pie maker. More butter, very economical recipe. If you don't put any butter on it, it's dairy free, egg free, simple to make. If you shake a bottle of beer up and open it, it fizzes right out and it actually puts out fires. And I have a friend who carries 24 cans of fire extinguishers. Okay, just cut that through and look how light and airy and springy that is. That is really, really, really light. So we're going to try that with a little of our butter, still lovely and warm, and some of our homemade Kiwi Fruit Preserve. Great big chunks of kiwi in that. Look at that. Kiwi fruit, I don't cook with kiwis. And there you have it. Tart and sweet, perfect kiwi flavour with some cold salted butter and a piece of damper. Yummo. Now, you can use these little damper bombs with soup, stews and casseroles. Got a nice flavour. You can just taste that hint of beer and it actually smells like a brewery in here. And look how risen up they are. They're just gorgeous. Don't forget to check out our Kiwi Fruit Preserve either, because that is beyond stunning. Thanks for watching.